Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I am going to be cooking and cleaning with you, and I just got a delivery from HelloFresh on my doorstep, which is super awesome. And this video is actually sponsored by HelloFresh, and I'm really excited to tell you guys about it. So if you've never heard of HelloFresh before, it is a meal kit delivery service that shops, plans, and delivers your favorite step-by-step recipes in pre-measured ingredients so you can just cook, eat, and enjoy. I have actually ordered from HelloFresh before on my own before they sponsored this video, and I have always loved everything that I've gotten from them. So it comes packaged in this box, and it's all like refrigerated with an ice pack, and your meals are packaged individually in these little bags that are so cute, and everything is labeled so nicely. I love how it's delivered right to my door in this insulated box, and I don't have to go shopping for any of it. It's pretty cool because you can choose your delivery day for like when it works best for you, and you can pause your account for weeks at a time whenever you need to. I actually love meal planning and like making my grocery list, but it's so nice to have these meals in my fridge that are already like prepped and ready to go. So I don't have to do that every single time that I go grocery shopping. I know that I will just have 3 meals that I can cook so conveniently. So today I decided to cook the crispy chickpea tacos because it just sounded so good. I love Mexican food. Like any Mexican food is probably my favorite besides marinara sauce, anything marinara. But this sounded so good, and I love tacos, but I've never had chickpea tacos, so I was super excited to make these. I also love that some of these recipes are things that I would never think to cook on my own. Like I would never have thought to make chickpea tacos. And as you guys know, I have 3 kiddos and a husband, so I love that there's different options to choose from. There's the classic HelloFresh box, which is a variety of meat, fish, and seasonal produce, and there's the veggie one that's vegetarian recipes with plant-based proteins, which is what I picked for this delivery. And then there's also the family one, which is quick and easy meals. The recipes are always changing too, so you're not going to be getting the same thing over and over again. And a little trick that I have learned is to keep your recipe cards, so that way if you want to make one of the recipes again on your own, you have all the ingredients and the instructions on how to do that yourself. All the recipes usually take only about 30 minutes or less also, which is super awesome, especially when you're a mom and you have kiddos pulling at your legs and they don't want you in the kitchen all night long, that's for sure. So with all that being said, if you want to try out HelloFresh, you can get $30 off your first week of dinners, which is amazing. So just go to HelloFresh.com and use the code CasperFresh30 and you will get $30 off. I do have all of that info linked in the description box for you guys, but I just want to let you guys know that this meal turned out so good. Like I said, I like anything that's like Mexican food, and the seasonings were amazing, and I've, like I said, never had chickpea tacos, and I was kind of like, okay, this is going to be interesting. But you guys, the flavor, the homemade guacamole, like everything, oh, it was so, so good. All the meals that I've ever made from HelloFresh have always been awesome. There really hasn't been one that I haven't liked, honestly. So once we are done putting together our tacos and mowing down, it's time to clean up my kitchen. So I'm going to stop talking in your ear and just let you enjoy the music and watching me clean up my kitchen after cooking this wonderful meal.
But you can see with your mind, even when I have my doubts, you say your love isn't blind, so I can give you shelter. But am I a part of your goals? Maybe none of it matters, 'cause I don't want to let go. I never meant to break a promise, I never meant to run away, but you know how to skip the madness, and I can only press replay whatever you see in me. I see times 1,000 in you. I hope you like the flowers never have all the answers, but we won't need them today. I never meant to break a promise. I never meant to run away. But you know how to skip the madness, and I can only press replay. Whatever you see in me, I see times 1,000 in you.
So I've been seeing a ton of stuff online about the Swiffer liquid stuff, like the actual Swiffer wet jet stuff that is super bad for your pets. And I've had a few of you tell me that too. So I'm actually just using the Method Squirt Mop stuff in my Swiffer, just like the pad, but not the liquid stuff, not the actual cleaner. So that is the last step. I'm just mopping up the floor, and that's going to be it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys end up trying HelloFresh, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I see times 1,000.